Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today, I'm going to be going all the way out to the desert. That's right, way out to the dry area, the rocks, the mountains, and the cacti, or cactus, or plants with a lot of thorns. Whatever you want to call it or think of it, that's what we're going to be drawing right now. So if you like to do a little cute little cartoon cactus, I think this lesson will be fun for you. Now, make sure you listen to all the way to the very end of this video because I have a little surprise I want to share with you. So if you have your pencil and you have a paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what's that special message that I shared in the very beginning of this video? Well, as you can see, the little flower pot with the cacti in there, cactus, or the plant with a lot of pointy things on it, you know, those, ow, ow. Anyways, just being silly. Anyway, so what I thought would be kind of fun to do is take a plant and take a cactus and mix it with something else, maybe like a mailbox, or a cat, or a pizza. Yeah. So the coming lessons from now, every now and then, I'm going to be sharing with this little fun little pot. What can we make from this pot that a cactus is growing out of, and it has like a cat head on there, or pizza, like I said, but it's part cacti and part pizza. That I thought would be kind of fun, just to use your creativity and your imagination. That's the thing about being an artist, or in this case, artist slash cartoonist. You can be very creative and kind of really fun at the same time. So that's what I really want you to pay attention to when you're drawing. Have fun, relax, and enjoy what you're doing. All right, so as always and always, I want to say thanks for checking out this latest video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.